When you're looking at an RTLS platform, it's important to pick a company that's the leader in the space or one of the leaders. And when we did our initial investigation into, or basically it was an RFP and an RFI into different companies that we could use for location services, we quickly found that many of our top choices actually leverage Centrac hardware. So the software front end was being offered by these various organizations, but same hardware. So quickly, we narrowed in on Centrac, and then after looking into the product a little more, it became clear to me. So my role is, a mobility architect, so I'm very interested in that particular space. And Centrac's ability to have multi-mode tags was crucial for us. The fact that we can use the tags on a Wi-Fi network or a 900 megahertz network, and they would roam seamlessly between the two was, one of the key things that caught my attention about their product. And being in tune with their roadmap, I can see that they're looking at the future and seeing where the ball is headed, and are implementing technology to stay in line with that. And that's really the kind of, if you're going to choose a company to adopt, these are the types of things that you want to look for. So we're in constant communications with Centrac, about our roadmap. We've standardized on that platform as our RTLS standard. And in dealing with them, we brought up some of the concerns with BLE, and they've worked with us on ensuring that their technology roadmap fits with what we're trying to accomplish, which is, it's a pretty impressive thing for a company to be able to do something like that. Usually when you're working with larger organizations, they're not willing to change things or cater things to your organization. But I think in this case, they realized that it makes sense what we're trying to do. One of the key things that Centrac did for us early on, when we realized we wanted to use that platform, immediately we ran into a hurdle, and that had to do with they were integrated with Cisco, essentially Wi-Fi, but not the type of Wi-Fi that we have. So we worked closely with them to accomplish that integration, and so they were very gracious in going down that path and making sure that we had a full integration. And now we're in the processes of testing that and vetting it. It's very neat when you're working with an organization like that for them to be able to cater to your specific needs.